Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Welcome to the demo video for Numbrix Puzzle Prints. First, let me give you a quick overview of what a Numbrix puzzle is. A Numbrix puzzle is a number puzzle where you fill in the empty cells on a grid so that all numbers are connected consecutively, either horizontally or vertically. For example, as you can see on the screen, the number 24 is placed next to 25 and 23. In this example, both 25 and 23 are connected to 24 horizontally. Let's look at another example. The number 63 is placed next to 64 and 62. Here, 64 is connected horizontally and 62 is connected vertically. Now, let me give you a quick tour of the application interface. This is the main interface of Numbrix Puzzle Prints. The first component is the header. In the header, you will find all the training videos we have created to help you get started quickly, without spending too much time figuring out how the app works. You can also view your current plan and switch between light mode and dark mode depending on your preference. Next is the left panel. This is where all the main features and components of the application are located, including Generate, Components, Settings, Download, and Save. Next is the footer. Here, you can switch between grid mode and normal mode, switch between interior and book cover design mode, and adjust the zoom level to make designing more comfortable. Next is the Page Navigator. This allows you to preview your current design pages and switch between them easily. Next is the toolbar. The toolbar displays different controls depending on which object you have selected on the canvas, allowing you to adjust its properties accordingly. Now, let me walk you through the most important feature, generating puzzles. In the left panel, click on Generate. You will see two options, Single and Bulk. Single allows you to generate one puzzle at a time. Bulk allows you to generate a large number of puzzles all at once. Let me try generating a single puzzle first. Simply select your settings such as grid size and any advanced options. Then, click Generate. You will see the result appear on the canvas. The content is divided into two types of pages, the puzzle page and the answer page. In the settings section, you have options such as page size, bleed or no bleed, and show visual guide. Enabling the visual guide displays a guideline border on your canvas. This ensures your content stays within the safe zone and nothing gets cut off when your book is printed, following Amazon KDP's official standards. You can also configure answers per page. The application supports 1, 2, or 4 answers per page. In this example, I selected 1. So you will see only one answer per page on the canvas. If you need more answers per page, simply select 2 or 4 depending on your needs. Now, let me try bulk generation. Similar to single, bulk is built from multiple configs. Each config works just like a single puzzle setup. You can configure grid size, difficulty, and other advanced options for each group, along with the number of puzzles to generate per group. Next, let me quickly go through the components section. The application currently supports the essential components, image, text, shape, and icon. For images, you can upload your own image and drag and drop it onto the canvas. Or, you can use AI to generate an image. Simply enter your idea and click Generate. In just a moment, your image will be ready, and you can drag and drop it onto the canvas. On the canvas, you have many options to fine-tune your design, such as send to back, bring to front, copy and paste objects, and much more. For text, simply choose from heading, subheading, or body text, then drag and drop it onto the canvas. You can click on the text to edit the content directly. From the toolbar, you can also customize the font family, font size, and color to match your design. For shapes, simply click on a shape and drag and drop it onto the canvas, and customize it to your liking. The same applies to icons. Search for the icon you want and drag and drop it onto the canvas. Once you are done designing, remember to save your work so you do not lose your progress. Next, let me walk you through the book cover design feature. In the footer, switch to cover mode. The canvas will display a template that is calculated according to Amazon KDP's official standards. In the left panel, click on Book Info and adjust the settings to match your needs. Once you are done, Click Apply Settings, and the template will update automatically. The book cover editor supports the same components as the interior editor: image, text, shape, and icon. You can also generate a book cover using AI. Go to the Image tab and click on AI. Then switch to book cover mode. Here you can enter a background image description and optionally add a title, subtitle, and author name. These are all optional fields. Then click Generate and wait a moment for the result. Since this feature is powered by AI, the quality of your result depends on how well you write your prompt. So try to make your prompt as detailed and descriptive as possible. In this demo, I am using a very basic prompt just to show you how it works. Once the image is ready, drag and drop it onto the canvas. You can then upload additional images or add text to complete your cover design. Once your design is complete, go to the Download menu in the left panel. The application supports the most popular file formats: PNG, JPG, SVG, PDF, and PPT. To download the book cover as well, simply check the Download Book Cover option, then click Download. And there is your final result. I hope this demo has given you a clear picture of what Numbrix Puzzle Prints can do. I look forward to seeing you inside the application.